Understanding the unexpected error and why it happens. Encountering an unexpected error during Tesco Clubcard registration, accompanied by a prompt to email, verify, and retry later, can be frustrating. This typically means there's a hiccup in the email verification process or a temporary issue on Tesco's servers. The email verification is a security measure to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. This error is most common among Android users, who account for approximately 65% of complaints, stemming from app compatibility issues, while iOS users experience fewer problems. The retry later message often indicates a temporary block implemented to prevent spam or overload on Tesco's systems. Let's explore the fundamental causes. If you're encountering the unexpected error during Tesco Clubcard registration, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve it. First, ensure you're using a stable internet connection and that your email address is correctly entered. Check your email's spam or junk folder, as the verification email might have landed there. Clear the Tesco app's cache and data to resolve potential app glitches. For advanced troubleshooting, try registering via the Tesco website instead of the app. Use incognito mode on your browser to avoid cached data issues. Wait for at least 10 minutes before retrying to allow the servers to reset. If problems persist, contact Tesco's customer support for direct assistance. This set of steps will resolve the issue in most cases.